Look at our road. Gosh. Oh man. Alright. Oh! Jesus. I think it's so dangerous because one hand is you try to take a photo, video, and another. Yeah. Alright. That's it. Wow, look at this amazing waterfall on Kulin Mountain. Just amazing, beautiful. Alright, we're gonna follow this waterfall down. See how beautiful they are. Look at the scenery around it. Ah, butterfly. Beautiful, beautiful. This is full of typo. Wow, that is amazing. Amazing. Alright, we're gonna follow these rivers down. Yeah. Looks like just amazing down here. Whoa. Uh-oh. You have to be really be careful because the rock is really slippery. You can see the green moss. Wow. Let's go. Yeah, a little step. Right. Beautiful mountain, hey? So, as you guys can see, you guys enjoyed it. This is the most beautiful waterfall in Siem Reap, Cambodia. Yeah. Wow, wow. Nice one, hey? Beautiful. And once again, amazing cloud today. Yes. Let's go for it. That is just... someone write something. I don't know the names. I don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe the name. I don't know if you can tell me the name or what. Here. Can you read it? Alright, can you read this name, please comment and tell me. Oh, this is amazing pool. I just want to dip in. Oh, that's a cold. Oh, I love it here. Oh man. Wow. Whoa. Right. We're gonna see some people down there. My god, you actually can see that sand below the water because it's so crystal clear water. Oh wow. Man. Alright, we're gonna see some people down there. I don't know what they're gonna do. Some picnic. Something to eat, something to drink, maybe. Whoa. That's a bit difficult to go down. Alright, I think I have to go around. Wow. I have to be really careful here. It's just everything so wet and it's easy to sleep. Gosh. Alright. I don't ever go the wrong way or the right way. Alright, explore jungle. Wow, look at the clouds, butterfly. I never seen anything butterflies like this before. My word. It's just so weird. I don't know if you guys can spot it, but actually that's a butterfly, not a leaf. Here. Look at that. Oh, I can't get close up, but that is, oh, that's amazing. Wow. Wow. Oh, I think they kind of eat this fruit. I'm not sure what kind of fruit it is, but here, this kind of fruit. And they suck the juice from the fruit. See it? It's kind of like a yellow head and white wings. All right, we're gonna head down to the. Oh, I don't want to go because it's just so amazing, beautiful. All right, let's see last one here. Whoa. All right, we're gonna go. Right, trying to way around. Let's go. Yeah, we're gonna go to paradise somewhere. Hopefully I've got the right way. I mean, you can hear the waterfall. Whoa, this is the right way. Oh Jesus, guy, you have to be very careful here because you see the very wet and it's just so easy to slip. But I mean, I've got something to hold on, so that's some wine, I think. I hope it's strong enough. Oh, oh my god, almost got me. Yeah, some amazing mushroom. I don't know if you know this kind of mushroom. If you don't, tell me what kind of mushroom it is. It is in Cambodia and tropical jungle, so I don't know what kind of mushroom it is. But I'm really interested. Let's see. I don't know if you can recognize. Yeah. Beautiful green, hang on a rock. Alright, there we go. Yeah. Oh, I can hear people. I can hear people. Some of my friends, they are here now. Oh, they really enjoy the picnic now. Woo! Take it down. Wow. Wow. Just crazy beautiful here, eh? Oh my god. Yeah. Wow. Whoa. Look at this kind of rock. It feels like a round, very round. That's the beautiful things here. That is, you call it the most beautiful place on earth. Jesus, woo! My God. Yeah. This is the most beautiful waterfall on earth. That. Oh, I think we're going to do from here. It's crazy, amazing. Look at that. Yeah. Woo.